ċempjon tal-Formula 1, Lewis Hamilton. Istednu biex jiraqat ma' wkoll il-kap eżekuttiv ta' Vodafone Malta Bale Sharma se jkun qed jagħmlu il-donazzjoni lill-istrina ta' din is-sena. Bale Sharma jiraqat magħna. Good morning, how are you, Balesh? Good morning. So how does it feel, Lewis, being in Malta this morning?
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the warm welcome. Kif intom? Grazie, grazie. I hope everyone enjoys today, and I hope it's not too cold, and I hope you get to see the Formula 1 car. It's going to be fun.
Thank you so much, Lewis.
Your Excellency, President Dr. George Abela, it's an honor indeed for me and for Lewis Hamilton and for the Vodafone team to be here to hand over our annual check of support to Istrina. Through the Vodafone Foundation, we've supported every year without fail because we really salute the good cause which Istrina and the Community Chess Fund supports. This year we've raised the game by bringing Lewis Hamilton and the Formula 1 car. I hope you have a great time, and I hope the charity really makes good fundraiser today. Thank you so much. Grazie ħafna.
Il-prezentazzjoni ta' donazzjoni minn Vodafone Malta Bale Sharma l-kap eżekuttiv Lewis Hamilton, il-ċempjon tal-Formula 1 lill-President ta' Malta, l-Eċċellenza tiegħu Dr. George Abela. Grazzi ħafna lil Vodafone Malta bit-tema Raise Your Game. U din is-sena verament they raised.
Mhux they raise the game, they raise the funds. Proset, thank you very much.
Grazzi l-Eċċellenza tiegħu George Abela. Se nieħdu il-mistoqsijiet tal-ġurnalisti, ftit mistoqsijiet lill-ċempjon tal-Formula 1 Lewis Hamilton, u mbagħad ovvjament minn hawnhekk se naraw Lewis Hamilton fil-karozza. Ma nafx l-ewwel ġurnalisti se jkun qed jagħmel l-ewwel mistoqsija lill-ċempjon tal-Formula 1 Lewis Hamilton. Nitlob il-ġurnalisti biex jintroduċu lilhom infushom.
Good morning, Lewis. Brendan Pisani from One News, Lewis. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, one simple question. How excited are you that you're moving to Mercedes for a new start in 2013, and how do you feel just ending this 14-year association with McLaren? What are you looking forward in the next year?
Well, firstly, let me say it's my first time to Malta, so this is a great day to be here. I'm very, very happy. I wish I could be on holiday, but... And I'm very excited about next year. It's a bit sad, of course, to be moving from McLaren Mercedes. It's been my home for a long, long time. But everyone has to have a change, and this is a part of growing. It's about achieving some different sets of ambitions in my life. And obviously, I've had 14 or 15 fantastic years being a part of this team. And I hope that now I go and build my skills up to learn how to communicate with new people and get to extract the best from them.
Hi, good morning, Daniel from Newsbook. Just a quick thought about all these years, your experience at McLaren. What have you learned from this experience?
Well, it's been where I've grown up, you know. So this is where obviously I came through all the different categories in Formula Renault go-karts, Formula 3, GP2, and the support that I've had has been incredible. And I mean, it's really where I've learned the foundation of my racing, of my driving, and now I'm able to drive a little bit more with ease, and I know what I'm doing a lot more now. Obviously, working with the engineers. Working and doing events like this has been a huge experience for me, which I'm so grateful for.